Our diamond grinding tooling covers nearly many concrete and stone floor application, coating removal, grinding, polishing for various types of machines all over the world, like HTC, Lavina, Husqvarna, Werkmaster, Blastrac, Florex, Terco, Skin Maskin, Torme, etc. Main markets now are North America, Europe, and Australia, etc. Sunny Tools offers a full line of metal bond diamond tools for grinding any hardness of concrete. Always choosing premium quality material and long lifetime with good sharpness has been getting more and more good feedback. Work together with our resin bond polishing tools to give floor the idea surface.